Have you heard about the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser? If you haven't, let me tell you if it's worth your money. Hi, I'm Dr. Anne. I'm a medical doctor with a passion for skincare that works. On this channel, we explore the science behind skin and do quick reviews so you learn to pick exactly those products that work for your individual skin concern. So if this is something you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Here's what Murad has to say about their product. Intensive triple action exfoliator with a blend of salicylic, lactic and glycolic acid polishes away dull, dry skin without irritation. Reveals smoother texture and a brighter, younger looking complexion. This exfoliating cleanser has a fresh scent and a slightly grainy texture due to the jojoba beads. Don't be fooled by this name. This is not a cleanser. If you were to use it as a daily cleanser, your face would probably fall off. This is an exfoliator with additional cleansing ingredients, so I personally would limit usage to maximum once a week or less depending on your skin types. The Murad website will tell you that up to 2 or 3 times a week is okay. It is recommended to apply a little bit into the palm of your hand, lather it up with water and then apply the foam to your face, which makes it a little more gentle because you don't need to do all the massaging on your face, which will give you an extra physical exfoliation due to the jojoba beads. Still, the main surfactant in this cleanser is sodium lauryl sulfate, which is one of the more stripping cleansing ingredients out there. So if you have dry skin, you might probably find that too harsh on your skin. It combines glycolic, lactic and salicylic acid, which penetrate the skin to different depths and exfoliate on different parts of the skin. The salicylic exfoliates inside the pore, while the glycolic acid as larger molecule will stay on the surface and exfoliate up there. But this is an exfoliating powerhouse that will give your skin a deep exfoliation. It does contain a few humectants to give back some hydration, and it has a vitamin C derivative inside, but that's pretty much down the ingredient list, so I don't think it has any noticeable effect. If this is worth your money depends largely on your skin type. If your skin is more on the dry side or sensitive to exfoliation, I don't think I would spend the money on this one. If your skin is like mine, which is mature, prone to congestion and oily, this is a very good exfoliant. Despite the added SLS, it is not stripping and really gives a very efficient, deep exfoliation. But I use it around once a month when my skin just needs a little pick-me-up due to hormonal changes and all that. Anything more would probably be too much. I'm going to link to more videos that I think you might enjoy and going to see you all very soon. Bye!